Hey guys, my name is Jessica Lilia and I'm here with a new video. Quick, it's gonna be quick though. So if you have 5 minutes, just stick around because it is going to be fairly fast. I have somewhere to be and I'm already running late, but I just wanted to come and show you guys what I recently bought. The Mermade Hair 25mm waver is to die for. As you can see, these are the waves that I got with this bad boy. And I absolutely love it. So when you first get this package in the mail, it comes in a big brown box and you take it out. And then of course the waver's in it, your handy dandy waver. And also you get a cute little glove here to protect your fingies and not get burnt. And then you get like an instructional little pamphlet. These girls are so pretty. So pretty. And then you can get your warranty, like sign up for it with the QR code. So yeah, I absolutely love it. The warranty, I believe it's 2 years. On the box it says, yes, 2-year manufacturer warranty. So that's awesome. High grade ceramic, protects the hair, choose temperature 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I keep mine on 370. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's good or not. Let me know what you keep your heating tool on, if it's 370 or higher or 370 below. I'm always curious because, you know, I like mine high because I feel like it just gets the job done quicker, but maybe I'm losing it. Anywho, so yes, this is the bee's knees. Onto the waver itself. Okay. Let me just plug this in because I just want to show you real quick what I'm talking about. I have no cons about this waver at all. That in terms of it working and it doing its job. The waves are gorgeous, right? But the only thing that I'm like about is when you turn it on. So now it's off. You can see that off. Now when you turn it on, I want my number to be at 360, right? It takes for, like, look, so it's at 220, 230, and it has to get all the way up to 360 or 370. And it's at 249, 253, 250. So, I mean, it does go fast, but it starts all the way from like 11, and then it goes up. I already had it plugged in, so that's why it's still a little bit hot. And that's the degrees that it was on when I just plugged it in and turned it on. But typically it has to go through those numbers to get to the number that you want it at. So I think that that's one thing that I don't really like that much. I mean, honest, it's very minimal. It doesn't make or break the product for me. But I kind of wish there was like maybe the toggle that you, or the button that you, like, you know, it goes like this, and then you can just choose your heating temperature, and then it just heats to the temperature, and then that's it. This one, you just have to click it and then choose the temp, and then it slowly gets there. Slowly but surely, it does get there. That's the only thing that I'd say I'm not really too fond about, but as you can see, easy to open, easy to close. And just to show you quickly, what I typically do, okay, heat protectant is already in my hair. Let's just pretend. So then I go here, close to the root, but not exactly at the root. Okay, leave it there for a couple secs. And then move it down. You see that already? Look at that. Maze balls. And then I just crimp it where the last dip is, right? So the last dip is right here, and I go there, close it, boom, boom, shaka-laka-laka, boom, 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 shaka-laka-laka, boom. And then the end, and then that's it. I mean, look at that. Look at that wave. Oh my gosh, so amazing. So I've had these waves in my hair for 8 days. And I only like freshen up the front two pieces of my hair and then like down here, and just to show you, like I just did that piece, but I just like to keep it fresh to frame my face. But the rest has been like this for 8 days. Other than that, I use Olaplex. Olaplex Big Sexy Hair Holding Spray, and that's it. That's it. And then these waves just remain so pretty. I'm obsessed. And just as a disclaimer, I bought this product with my own money. No one paid me to say this. I absolutely love the product. Absolutely love it. And I got it on sale. I believe it was like $62, but I will post it in the description box down below if it was not. I know it was a sale. So anywho, if it's not on sale now, my apologies. I just happened to get a good deal at the time. But yeah, look at that hair, girl. Look at that hair. And this is definitely the wave right now. No pun intended. It's the wave right now, getting like wavy, well, beachy wavy hair. It's just so carefree and beautiful. And you can just like spin, and look at that. Look at that. Stiff wear. Stiff wear, not my hair. Okay, all right guys, well thank you so much for watching my video, and if you have any questions, let me know. Until next time, see ya, bye.